Hi everyone. I've just come to share with you some more journal ephemera kits that I've put together. This is completely different to the one yesterday and from the ones the day before. So I'm going to, don't know the best way to do this. Let me see. I'm just going to start from the top. Right, there is coffee dyed doilies. There's 5 of the small ones. There's 4 of these large ones. This here is my new digital kit what I have just put on in my shop. So I've printed this off and put them in the kits. But if you wanted to purchase these, they are listed in my shop, and you get 13 pieces and they're PDFs. These were original vintage receipts. So I just wobbled the camera. And I have scanned them and enhanced them for good quality printing. So you get 2 of these little ones here. Then there is, oops, upside down, 3 of these, and they are obviously, they've all got different, have they? No, they haven't. They've all got the same, but they'll cost different. That's what it is. The prices are all different. Then there is this one here, and this one here, and that one. They come out really nice actually after playing around with them. Not normally good with things like that, but you learn something new every day. This one here has got one of these little receipts that I showed you, the little ones, them little ones there. This one had it still on there, so I just left it. Let me move that there, so that's that. And that one. Then I've printed out some other ephemera, which has all been coffee dyed on the back. So there is that, and that. There's lots of ephemera, like vintage ephemera in this one. And I do have some original vintage stuff as well. So I've just made some, just folded these for you to make little pockets. They haven't been decorated. Then there's one of these, which is the flip out that I do, that was a Terry Woods inspiration. And then one of these, I just paper clipped that so that you would just glue that onto your page, glue under here and there, put it on, and you can decorate it, and it all opens up for additional journaling. And I only done all this coffee dyeing the other day and it still smells lovely. There is 6 tags. I've used some scrapbooking paper to make some tags, and I've just put some reinforcers on them to get 6 of them. You get one of these pedigree charts. You can fill out all the information. Is it? When it says pedigree, I originally assumed that it was for dogs, but it's not. It's for family. There's a job invoice here, so you get 2 of them. Obviously, you would have put some carbon in between that, and so you've got a copy. There is some vintage music paper, and there is some vintage book paper. This is Knight's Popular History of England. Then there is 2 of these. These are vintage, it's a vintage kind of magazine, so there's 2 pages there. Not sure what that's all about. Oh, it's, well, you can read it if you buy it. We have an envelope. We have square cards. There is this large envelope here. It'd be great in a journal, and it's got a sticky bit there. What I would do is maybe run some washi tape over that if you wanted to like use it so that it didn't glue down. There is these notebook pages. There is some bags that you could coffee dye. They look really nice coffee dyed. It really dulls them down a lot. There is a little kind of half baguette bag there. You've got a popcorn bag. These would be really good to decorate. Like, I would maybe fold that up, decorate that, decorate this. Got a little pocket. 2 window envelopes. Again, I normally fold them up and obviously do that with it. And fold it up, decorate it, and then you've got an envelope pocket. Cut the top off so you've got a double pocket, and then you can put stuff inside and you can see it through the window. We have 2 of these coin envelopes and then 2 of these ones. There is 4 of these little index cards. Oh, and by the way, they've got 2 of these kits, so it's not just one. So 2 lucky people could get one. The amount of messages I've had about these kits, and I think I'm kind of losing my mojo making journals at the moment, so I think I'm just going to be throwing some kits and things together over the next few days, just for a break. These doilies, they are lovely. They're like an off-white colour, but they would look great coffee dyed or tea dyed or any other kind of dyeing you like to do. Paper bag. One of these little paper bags. We have 4 of these, and these are quite waxy. Yep, 4 of these would be nice little pockets. Could coffee dye them, I think, and then decorate them. 2 little envelopes. These are like the jelly bean soup, but they're not. They're actually short bought. Then there is this envelope. We have 4, this is a definition book, I think, but it's vintage, it's very old. This is from a little children's book. Again, this was kind of vintage, and you can kind of feel how old the pages are. You know what I mean, don't you? You get like nice glossy pages and you think, no, they're new, but the old ones, you can feel they're old. 2 Edith Holden. Then there is 4 of the Pitman's shorthand pages. There is 2 more of the Edith Holden, because she does loads of different books. So there's March and April here. Then there is 2 of these large flower pages. It's from a flower encyclopedia book. And then there is this one here. It's like too big to show. So there's that, and then you get 10 of coffee dyed paper, which what I'm going to be doing is folding that in half. I'm not going to crunch it down there, but if it does crease, you can just iron it straight. Love that noise. So yeah, that will just make it easier for shipping. So that is what you get. The other one is more or less the same, obviously, just these pages, then the book pages are going to be different, because, you know, you pull book pages out and things, you're not going to get the same, are you? But everything else is more or less the same. There is still 10% discount in my shop if you're interested. That ends midnight tonight here in the UK, so it is now nearly 7 o'clock. So this should only take about 15 minutes to upload, so there's only, like, for here, there's only, what, a few hours left. If not, then I'm sorry, because I have had this sale on for most of the month. And like I said, my ephemera kit is available separately if you just wanted to purchase that, or what I do say about my ephemera kits, I haven't got many, or journal kit things that I've got, is you don't reproduce them, and you don't sell them on, and you don't share them. So that's a condition of using these. So I hope this is going to keep a few people happy, and I am going to continue doing these for the next few days, and list them in my shop. So 2 available, all in my shop. Links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.